Chair, there's a more fundamental conversation that needs to happen. The conversation around for how long then will counties carry this burden? You see what happens is that this government again has introduced a system of accounting called accrual, where you are supposed to include things that you imagine you will get. You know, finances that you imagine you are going to recover. But in the admission of the auditors, and if I'm wrong, they can correct me. Some of these monies seem like they will never be recovered. So they will still stay in the books of the counties, and yet, Chair, the counties are not the ones who are supposed to be paying themselves. They are supposed to be paid by other institutions of the national government. So that governor and your colleagues in Kilifi would have been a more fundamental conversation to have.